Okay, I am going to cook tonight by using my small toaster oven. I don't think I've ever baked anything in it before. You know, just used it for small frozen pizzas or frozen foods or bagels or what have you. But I've got a couple of chicken legs right here that I froze the other day, and they're thawed now. Going to make, since I don't have a pan that will fit that, going to make a pan out of aluminum foil, which will be great because then I won't have a big cleanup. I was going to do like a barbecue sauce over them, but I think I'm going to do kind of a rub instead by using Creole seasoning, salt and pepper, sea salt and pepper. So let me make my little tray, and I'll be right back. Easy enough to make, just make it into a square and fold over the edges. And there. I have a shallow, disposable baking pan. I'm going to rinse off my chicken, put the stuff on it, put the seasonings on it, and bake it. I always rinse off my meats before I cook them. Pan. Pull off this yucky stuff. Try not to get water on the camera. Okay. Okay, so here are my chicken legs in the pan. Probably should put just a tiny bit of water on the bottom, just to make sure it doesn't dry up while cooking. And I wish I could be using my little camera, but it was out of battery power and I have no charged batteries. Let me see if I can find something for a platform. Use my ice cube trays. So it's not the greatest presentation, but you get the idea anyhow. So pepper, because I love pepper, and I love freshly ground pepper. Creole seasoning. And probably don't even need the sea salt with the Creole seasoning, but I'll just put a little bit on. And this is ground salt. Okay, flip it over. And do the other side. I like lots of pepper. Go. Put a little bit of water in there and toss it. Just use a coffee. I'll use this little thing. Just to keep it from drying out. And I'll keep an eye on it anyhow. And it is ready to go in my toaster oven. What do you cook chicken on? 350? I'm not sure. I think I'll go with, yeah, I think 350. So that's about right. Pull it away from the shines. I'm not talking well. The blinds. plug it in, because it works better that way. If you ever cooked something in there and realized it wasn't on a half hour later, not fun. Okay, so I am going to go for, where's 15? 15 minutes. And then I'll come back and check the chicken and flip it. And I found this at the store the other day. It looked really good. I love poblano peppers. It says corn with poblano pepper strips. So I'll stick some of that in the microwave and see how that tastes. Okay, my 15-minute timer went off. Get a pot holder. That looks pretty good. Pull this darn thing out. Okay. Get my tongs and flip them. Come on. It's slippery. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more seasoning on them since it kind of washed off of that side. And put them back in for another 15 and check on them and see how they're looking. And while my chicken is cooking, I put the poblano corn in a bowl. I never put anything plastic in the microwave to heat up food in. It's really better to use a plate. I say that, and then I'm going to stick a plastic cover over it. Oh well, but the food's not being cooked on the plastic. It's a microwave cover that I found at the 99-cent store. And I like it because it's flat. And I don't have to waste paper towels. And it doesn't make a mess in the microwave. Okay, so here you go. There's my chicken. Cooked it for about an hour at 350. And my poblano corn. So I am going to have my dinner. And y'all have a great evening. Talk to y'all later. Bye.